Most people get this wrong. They assume every cash advance app connects smoothly with every payment app, but the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking Cash App works like a traditional bank. Because in 2026, compatibility depends on how apps verify income, not just whether they can send money. In this video, we are breaking down the best cash advance apps that work with Cash App in 2026, and how to actually use them without issues. Let's start with the basics. Cash App is mainly a peer-to-peer payment platform. It lets you send, receive, and store money, and in some cases, access financial tools like direct deposits and investing. But here's the key point most people miss. Cash App is not a full traditional bank account, even though it behaves like one for many users. Now here's where it gets interesting. Because Cash App is not a full bank, not every cash advance app connects to it for income verification. Some apps require payroll-based banking history, while others only need transaction activity. Let's break it down, step by step. The first category is earned wage access apps. One of the most compatible options is Earnin. Earnin works because it focuses on income tracking rather than strict bank classification. So if Alex receives regular direct deposits into Cash App, Earnin can often detect earnings patterns and offer small advances based on that activity. But here's the problem most users run into. If your Cash App does not show consistent incoming deposits, your approval chances drop significantly. These apps rely heavily on predictable income behavior. Second category is flexible cash advance apps. Another widely used option is Dave. Dave can sometimes work with Cash App linked accounts depending on how your deposit is set up. Jake, for example, might connect his Cash App debit card or linked bank account to improve eligibility for small advances. Now here's where it gets important. Even if the app connects successfully, your cash advance limit will usually start small. Over time, it may increase based on repayment behavior and account activity. Third factor is direct deposit setup. This is the most important step. If you want better approval chances, you need consistent deposits going into Cash App. Without that, most cash advance apps will treat your account as high risk or low reliability. Now let's talk about speed and fees. Most apps offer free standard transfers, but instant transfers often come with fees. So even when everything works with Cash App, you still need to decide between speed and cost. In a minute, I'll show you a simple setup trick that helps Cash App users increase approval chances for cash advances without changing apps. Now let's simplify everything. Cash App works best with cash advance apps that rely on transaction history and flexible income verification, not strict banking systems. Let's summarize clearly. In 2026, the best cash advance apps that work with Cash App are Earnin and Dave, depending on your deposit consistency and account activity. They are useful for short-term emergencies but still depend heavily on income patterns. If this helped you understand cash advance apps that work with Cash App, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns.